Hello lovelies, you are welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Today's tutorial is a quick one and I'll be showing you how to make a double hair bow just as you can see on your screen. It's so simple, it's so stylish and it is a DIY I would love you to try. So I'll be cutting out three pieces. The first piece is this one which is 2 inches by 4 inches. The other one is 7 inches by 3.5 inches and the last one is 10.5 inches by 3.5 inches. So the measurement for this hair bow is totally dependent on you. If you want it big, of course you increase your measurement. If you want it small, you would also decrease your measurement. But for this tutorial, I'll be using these measurements and all these pieces are on fold. They are all on fold and I want to create this slant design. You can just get your ruler and make slant lines on the two sides just as you can see me do. That is maybe 1 inch like that, 1 inch on two sides. But again, you can leave it like that. Okay, this is a DIY. You are trying different things just to create something nice. So I'll be trimming these slant curtains out like this just for the two pieces, okay? And when I'm done, I'll just be stitching all the way, okay? On the wrong side, please, on the wrong side. These pieces are on fold on the wrong side and I'll be leaving like 1 inch or 2 inches for turning inside out. So this smallest piece is what I will use to wrap it up. Don't worry, when I'm doing it you will see it. So that will be for like tacking it, okay? So here is me just stitching all the way, okay? In this case now you are just stitching three sides because one side is already folded, so you don't need to stitch. So you see that I didn't stitch everything because I'll be leaving an opening for turning inside out. So the same thing I did for the second piece too. I stitched at half an inch, leaving about 1 inch for turning inside out. So for the third piece, I would just be folding, like, how would I explain it? Folding in the two rough edges, okay? When you fold it, then you now stitch on it. In a way, it's just to cover the rough edges and like I said, is for wrapping the two big pieces. Here is me just turning inside out. I will make sure I use my scissors or any sharp object to push out all those corners, okay? You push them out, then you do the same for the other piece, then you stitch it down, like you close the opening. So when closing the opening, you make sure you fold it following the same pattern with the way it was before. Can you see it? So this one too, you just um, turn it inside out. Very easy. So you can play around with this tutorial. You can play around with this hair bow. You can make it three pieces. You can make it butterfly shape. It just depends on you. So here now I had turned the two inside out and I will just be, closing the opening. You can do this by using your sewing machine or you can get your hand needle and thread to close the opening. This is what you should have after closing the opening. The next thing is to create gathers in the middle of each of these pieces. And for you to do that, you need to, fold each into two so that you can get the midpoint, or you can as well get your chalk to get the midpoint. Okay. The essence of this is for you to have something balanced. So when I was able to determine the midpoint, I grabbed my needle and thread and I started doing running stitches at the middle. I will repeat the same process for the other piece. there is need for you to pull the thread to give you that squishing effect. I hope I'm right. So after doing that, you can even use your thread to tie it to secure the mid part very well. When you are done doing that, you knot the thread like 2 to 3 times, then you trim the excess thread. So you are going to do the same thing for this other piece. Very easy, right? Again, in case you didn't understand what I said before, get the midpoint of this piece, do running stitches just as you can see. Then you pull the thread to secure that middle area. Then after pulling the thread, you can go over it like flip it over your thread around that middle area to further secure it. So I hope that makes sense. So when you are done, you are just going to place the two together this way. Easy, right? Easy peasy, right? So just secure the two, just as you can see me do. Do all the tacking that you can do, and this is what you would have. But it will not end here. No, it won't end here. So you are going to introduce your clip or your um, hair band, elastic band, whatever thing you think you can add to it that will make it stay on your hair. You will introduce it onto it now. I didn't have clip, so I used this hair band, this black one. Just watch the way I did it. I just placed it on the middle. That is the part you want to face on your hair. So determine that part and use that smallest piece that I made initially, use it to wrap it up. So this is me just trimming the excess of that little piece. So I will wrap it in a way that the rough edge would not be showing. So that's it right there. And again, you get your needle and thread and secure it very well. You just keep tacking it. But when you are tacking it, you need to do it very neatly. And that's it, guys. So this is another way you can recycle your leftover fabrics. Maybe you don't know what to do with your leftovers. This is a very good thing you can make, and you can even do business with it. You can create many colors and sell it. So that's it. Very easy, no stress at all. Like I said, you can use any measurement. I hope this video was helpful. And if you are still watching till now, you are the real MVP. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do. Please do not forget to like, comment, and share this video. In case you will be trying this DIY, kindly share your experience in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching. See you all in my next tutorial. Bye.